Hello and welcome to the second lesson. In this lesson I will explain in detail the code of the Hello World program. As we saw in the previous lesson, when we create a new project with the program code blocks, the Hello World program is created automatically. We will delete this code and write it again, so I can explain step by step what all of this means. In the C language, as in many other languages, there are libraries available to us. Libraries are groups of functions, and functions are subroutines that perform a particular task. For example, if I want my program to display on the screen a sentence, I have to use a function that has the name printf. Now, to use a function, I will have to include the library that contains it. In this case, it's the library stdio. To include any library, we have to write hashtag include space, and between these brackets we write the name of the library we want to include. In this case is stdio.h. The next step is to create the main function. What is the main function? The main function is the entry point of any program. It is the first function that the computer will run, no matter what is written before it. In all our programs, we will include the main function. Before the function name, we write int, which means integer. This is the return type of the function. About the return type of a function, we will talk in another lesson. For now, we don't need to know what it means. You just need to know that before the main function, you have to write int. And now comes the function name, which is in this case main. We open and close parentheses and open brackets. All the code written inside the brackets will belong to the main function. Now we will write the code that prints the message hello world. As I mentioned earlier, to print a message on the screen, we have to use the printf function. And since we already included its library, we can now use it. We must write printf, open parentheses, and within the parentheses and inside quotation marks, we write our phrase. In this case, hello world. After the parentheses, we have to add a semicolon. Never forget the semicolon. Now, at the end of the program, before closing the braces, we write return 0. And semicolon again. This is used to indicate the computer that everything went well. In another lesson, I will explain in detail what this means. Let's now compile and run the program and see if it's working well. To do that, you have to click here, build and run. And then you have to wait. And it worked as we wanted. It printed hello world. So this was the second lesson of our course. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you did, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.